It's my feel-good breakfast show.
Mukha ito na kape na nakalakola. Tumili sang Expresso on SABC 3 on this Throwback Thursday, also known as Oh My Goodness, Look at the Gorgeous Men on Your Screens Day, because look at this right now that's happening. We're about to take on the K2 twins, two gentlemen from Vredendal. Is on a grape farm somewhere there where you guys grew up, is it?
Yeah.
And right now you guys are some of South Africa's premier lifestyle personalities, but ons weet julle ouens kan uitwerk in gym en alles, maar ons wil weet, kan julle 'n ordentlike omelet maak?
Stapelvoedsel.
Nee, is dit?
Ja.
Dus elke dag die bereik.
Kijk, ek weet die manne eet baie eiers, nee.
Ja.
Hulle doen, nee, vir 'n bietjie proteïene en daai tipe goed. So julle kan seker maar 'n omelet maak, maar nie seker soos ons hier, nee. Weet, ons het 'n Expresso manier hierso.
Ag, jy weet ons sal uitvind.
So the basic rules is our omelette challenge that we have on Expresso, but now we're going to make it very interesting. So each one of the partners in the team is going to act as the one arm. So I'm going to be the left arm of our team.
You'll be the right arm.
And so the same with the K2 twins. All right. It's about making the prettiest looking, most edible omelette in the quickest time. Verstaan julle manne?
Challenge accepted.
Challenge
moet lekker wees ook,
accepted.
nee?
Okay. Die gaat ons. Well, and then you must use all of the ingredients on the table. Do you see them? You must use all of them.
Okay,
Okay.
go.
3, 2, 1, go for it.
Right.
Bord.
Willie.
Wait. Okay, klits. Jullie moet die melk ook gebruik, man, hè? Gebruik die melk, hoor.
Wat gaan daar aan?
Jullie moet alles gebruiken wat daar is.
Okay, wat sout en peper?
Daar is die sout. Okay.
Los.
Gaat. Daar is hij. Hij lijkt lekker. Die sout. Knip die sout daar met die linkerhand. Daar is hij in.
Reg.
Klits. Ja. Oh!
Gooi.
Oh, that was close. That was so close.
is that it?
Alright, so it's about the quickest time. Man, hoe kom je dus stil?
Kom. Daar gaat hy. Kom, vorentoe. Daar is hy.
Okay, ons het al die ingrediënten.
Hulle praat baie man. Het julle alles gebruik?
Ja, het lijkt me jullie sukkelhazen.
Ja, nee, ons is ons is aan die brand. That's it. It's looking good. Team Expresso doing it for the people, for South Africa. Oh, it's about to go down. We're already getting the last point.
Let me just get this loose. Can I go loose?
Edible, man.
There you go. Mannen, jullie moet werk.
Wacht vast af.
Wacht. Oké, dat is het.
Mag jullie roeren, joh?
Oh, he flips it! He flips it for the team! Dude, get it on the plate. That is beautiful stuff.
Okay, just
look at that.
Fold it.
Okay.
Daar is hy.
Doe dat.
Daar gaat hy. Yes. Skit away.
Daar sy dames en here, kyk nou daar. Kaklee.
Time.
En Ewan stryd om. Is hy oor winnaars oor die K2 tweeling. Julle manne sukkel nog. Wat gaan aan?
Mag roeren, joh.
In 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Dude, that's not bad, eh?
It's the fastest team talent challenge we've ever had.
Nice.
Mannen, wat gaan nou aan?
Nee,
Nee, hij is nog niet gang.
hier is vele breakfast. Hoor.
Ja.
Dank je.
Los hem maar vir die
Vanaf
professionele.
julle. Hy's gesout, gepeper, alles. Great stuff. This is a bit of fun here on your Feel Good Breakfast Show this morning with the K2 twins. They joined us, of course, for the fitness segment this morning. Is julle ouens okay?
Jullie was
Is jullie diep-
die stukje
diep
vlammen
zeer
nog, maar dat is
gemaakt,
Omelette ook
Weer
weer
nog
erbij.
verduidelik wat gebeur het met die eier. Bro, it was a
Dis verby, dis klaar.
It's But listen, guys, have a fantastic festive season. Thank you for joining us.
dank
Ons
je.
sien julle volgende jaar, nee.
Ja.
Awareness is the fairness. There we go. All right, now let's quickly give you an update of the latest news headlines.